Guys, this is Muhammad. I come again with a new video with this word series. This is my third video for daily 5 words session. Okay, so you guys please note down these words and use these words during your conversations. So let's start. Today first word is fragile. Fragile means like we can sometimes if we are feeling weak, so weak means fragile. Okay, sometimes we fragile means damage, harmful. Okay, so now we can make the sentence of this word. So it was a fragile situation. Okay, it was a fragile condition. Okay, so we can use this word sentence of this word. Okay, so second sentence we can make like right now I am feeling a little fragile because yesterday I was attended party. Okay, that's why I am little fragile. Here I am using fragile as a weak. Okay, so now second word is sculpture. Sculpture means murti banana. This kind of art is there. Okay, so we can make sentence of this word like sculpture means like he or she teaches sculpture at his local school. Okay, we can use this word. Second sentence of this word is in the museum. In the museum I found a lot of sculpture and paintings. Okay, so we can make this kind of sentence. Third word is infiltrate. Infiltrate means घुसपैठ. Generally this type of word mostly the army people are using. Okay, like team A, team B. Okay, alpha team. Okay, so alpha team will infiltrate at target building. Okay, we can use this kind of word. Okay, so the student organization was infiltrated by a traitor. Okay, the student organization was infiltrated by a traitor. Infiltrated, here we have to use infiltrated means घुसपैठ करना. और थर्ड सेंटेंस फोर्थ आई थिंक मेटिकुलसली मीन्स सोच समझ कर, with full understanding. He has a sense, whatever he is doing, he has a full sense of doing this kind of work. So we can use this. Actually yesterday I was watching Hollywood movies where I found this word meticulously. We can use this word like the attack was meticulously planned and executed. Okay, the attack was meticulously planned and executed. Second sentence we can use this. It is difficult to see meticulously in my sentence. I think it is difficult to see meticulously in my sentence. We can use this word also. Okay, now last one word is detrimental. Detrimental means खराब परिस्थिति, bad adverse effect. Okay, so how I can make the sentence of this word? The medicine could have detrimental effect on your body, on your health. Okay, we can make this kind of sentence. Second sentence we can make like that, like a lack of rain will have detrimental effect on corpse. A lack of rain will have detrimental effect on corpse. Okay, we can make such kind of sentence. Like we can use detrimental in this way also. Like we know, like we see that right now we are in lockdown. So if you are not taking any kind of precaution, okay, of this lockdown, that will create that will create a detrimental effect on your life. Yeah, we can make such kind of sentence also. So yeah, this is the words are there. So you guys please note down this word and you can use this word during your conversation. And I want to tell you one thing, that please share this video to others also. And I want to tell you that I am also improving my English. Okay, so if you found any kind of mistake during my conversation, so you let me know in the comment box. I can also rectify these problems. Okay, generally men will do the mistakes. Okay, so you can please if you find any mistakes, you can please put on comment. And you can also use for this word, you can also use one sentence and put in the comment box, so other can also see. Okay, so please subscribe my channel and don't forget to please please like my like my channel and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I just now I started, and I want to tell you that I have created one WhatsApp group. In this WhatsApp group, daily I am conducting a Zoom meeting where different persons are coming and where we are discussing about different topics. So you guys please come in my group. Okay, or you can also attend Zoom meeting. Okay, and you can learn your English, or you can speak English also with us. So this is the things which I am doing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.